Alright, welcome to class. You guys should have had a few minutes to work through these problems. These are similar to what we did yesterday, so you should remember what to do. So first, when we look at number 1, we have 126 equals negative 18 times x. So how do we get rid of that negative 18? Because we want x by itself. So first thing we've got to realize is what's the inverse operation? Well, opposite of multiplication is division. So we divide one side by negative 18, and then realizing because of that division property of equality, we have to divide by the other side for this to maintain equality. Negative 18 over 18 is 1, so we get 1x equals, and then we've got 126 divided by negative 18. So 126 divided by negative 18 gives us a negative 7. Now, we get rid of that 1 using that not additive, because that's zeros, multiplicative identity property of 1, which tells us we can get rid of that 1 and we're left with negative 7 equals x. Okay? So number 2 kind of have that inverse going on. We've got p divided by 13, so to get rid of that 13 on the bottom, we're going to do the inverse operation. We're going to times by 13. So that becomes 1 again, so we're left with 1p equals 6 times 13, which is 78. We can do that because of the multiplication property of equality. Then, to get rid of that 1p, we use that multiplicative identity property of 1. Okay, to give us p equals 78. Alright, so there we go. Now, you're going to get a worksheet handed out to you. You need to do the first 4 problems because they're similar to these warm-ups. Then we'll start the video and we'll go through it a piece at a time. Please do your best. Try really hard. What I will, to make it a little easier on you, instead of having to use these identity properties, let's get rid of those and we can just, cut out one step to make it a little easier for you guys. So there you go, and let's get to work.